I'm Tiny Tech Girl. Today we're going on a journey inside your refrigerator. Have you ever wondered what happens behind?
When you plug in the refrigerator, electricity enters the entire system right here. This capacitor stores energy. Now, as the relay activates, notice the thermostat sensor interaction. This control board is the brain of the refrigerator. It checks the temperature and decides when cooling should start. This is the compressor. It's the engine that moves the refrigerant through the system. The compressor compresses low-pressure refrigerant vapor into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. In the condenser, heat is released into the surrounding air, and the refrigerant becomes a high-pressure liquid. The liquid passes through a capillary tube, causing a sudden drop in pressure and temperature. The cold refrigerant absorbs heat from inside the fridge and evaporates back into vapor. The low-pressure vapor returns to the compressor, and the cycle repeats continuously.